Hello there everyone, this is your friend from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines, Mr. Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada. In this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to delete a file in Microsoft Windows operating system command line. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers to my channel. I'm really glad for your support. It encourages me to make more tutorial videos. And if you are new with my channel, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Before anything else, I would like to say disclaimer. This command that I will teach you, you have to be careful, because if you delete any file in your operating system or Windows files, it may corrupt your Windows and then it will not boot. I'm just teaching this command for educational purposes. Use it carefully to avoid any problem. So here I will create first a folder, MD files, to create a directory. Okay, there is already a file, so clear screen, MD demo, cd demo, dir. We don't have a file. I will create a dummy file. Copy con file dot text. This is just a dummy file. Okay, Control Z. So dir, I have already one file, so copy con file, copy, I want to duplicate the file point text txt to file 2.txt, file 3.txt. Okay, now I'm just duplicating the file to file2.txt. So when I issue a command dir, we have already two files, another file, duplication of files. Okay, dir, I have already three files. Now, as a word of warning guys, use this command carefully. If you don't know what you are doing, do not continue, because you might erase your files in your operating system, particularly in Windows operating system. Now, the command to delete a file is del /? It means it is a wildcard to know the content of the command del. Deletes one or more files. So be careful. We can also use the command erase. Okay, they are, so here del space file dot txt. Now, as I said, be careful, because once I issue this command del file dot txt, the file is permanently will be erased. You cannot recover it even in the recycle bin. So press enter. There are already two remaining files. This one is already removed, so we have two remaining files. Now another command, we can use erase file 2.txt. the same thing will happen. So when I issue a command dir, we have already one files left. Now how about we allow our command to ask us we want to delete this file or not? So we can issue a command del space file 3.txt /p. What is /p? Prompt, enter. It asking the user if we want to delete this file or not. Let's say for example n, no. So the file is still there, the file 3.txt is still there. So once again, let us run. Do you want to delete the file 3.txt? Let's say yes. when we issue the dir command, all 3 files is no longer available. So when we go out in this folder, we issue a command rmdir to remove this folder. No more folder, so dir demo cannot be found. So this is the end of our tutorial videos on how to delete files in Microsoft Windows command line. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, at your service. Says until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.